What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I have a product from Andar. They were kind enough to send me out the Andar Pilot. So this is a wallet. It says the Pilot. You can pause this, read the back of this for yourself if you want to know about it. It just says carry what matters. So as you all know, Andar does make nice quality products. This is the saddle brown variant. So pretty much, let me unbox this and show you what it looks like. So you would open it up like so. Then you get a card down here that says pretty much just says thank you. It says thank you, and then it just shows some of their different products right there, as you can see. It says Andar. It says take 5 off on your next purchase. Use code thanks5, and then you can follow them on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And it gives you their support, andar.com, if you need to reach out to them for help, or you can scan their QR code and go straight to their website. So here is the Pilot, if I am pronouncing that right. This is what the product looks like. This is a nice real leather, has that leather smell to it. This is saddle brown. I like the way this looks and feels in the hand. So pretty much you would just insert your cards in here, and you could put a card in here, and you are allowed to put money in the back there, and you get a little clip down here at the bottom button to where it'll push the cards up for you. I'm going to demonstrate that now. So first I'm going to put in these cards that I currently have, put them in like so, and it will fan them up like that. That is a nice look right there. I don't know how many you can put in here, but right now I currently have 4. Maybe you can put 5 or 6, we'll see. But this is what that'll look like with the cards inserted. But you can also put a card in the front here. So let me get some more cards. So say you got your driver's license with you, and you want to put that on here, but I'm not going to use that card for the sake of this video. I'll just use a different little work ID. But you can put that in that pouch right there. So if you need your ID, you can carry that right there. And then you also have access to cards right there. And then on the back here, you can put your money in there. It probably can't hold too much, but you know, if you say you need to go to the store, you need to buy something that costs $5 or $4, you can put your $5 bill in the back like so, and you will be good to go. Overall, this is a nice feeling and looking device. Now, I don't really have a use for a wallet like this because I'm a lady. So this is geared towards men. So maybe I will give this to one of my family members for Christmas, a man, brother or dad for Christmas or so on. But this is a nice look, and I want to say thank you, Andar, for sending this out to me. And they also sent me one to gift to somebody, but this is over on Twitter. So if you want to be a part of this, all you'd have to do is go to my Twitter account. You would need to follow me, then you would need to follow Andar at Andar, and I will be picking the winner on this Friday. But this is over on Twitter. The only way you can win this one is over on Twitter. But I just thought I would make this video and show you the Andar Pilot. This really does look and feel nice to hold in the hand. Very fancy and very different. And the way it just pops your cards up is amazing. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will drop a link in the description to where you can pick this up for yourself. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.